Hello everyone, this is Saksham Tiwari here and today we are going to discuss about the probability. So what is probability? Probability is nothing but it is numerical representation of the chances of happening some event or taking place of some event. So let's relate it to our daily life. We all use probability in our daily life but we don't know that this is probability. So suppose you appeared in an examination and you got 60 marks out of 100. What it reflect about you? To understand this, we need to know what the examination is. Examination is nothing but it is a testing process of your preparedness about your syllabus. So you got 60 marks out of 100. What it represents? It represents that you are 60% prepared with your syllabus. And it is written in the form 60 out of 100, it means 60 upon 100. If we change this fraction is in very simplest form, you will get 3 upon 5. What it is? It is the probability. It is the probability we are going to study in mathematics only. Okay, let's one more example. Suppose your mother given you 100 rupee note and she asked how many rupees you are going to spend. You know that you are going to buy a chocolate and it costs you about 50 rupees. And you change this in the fractional form 50 out of 100. It means you are going to spend 50 rupees out of 100 rupees. It means 50 upon 100. It means 1 upon 2. And you said, Mom, I'm going to spend about half of the amount of it. What does it mean? It means you know that you are going to, there is the possibilities of spending 50% or a half money and you told. And only this is the probability. You are using probability here too and you don't know that you are using probability. Let's take some examples from our syllabus and make it very clear. I have written the question here. A coin is tossed, then find the probability of getting a head. It means that you are tossing a coin, you may get head or tail. There are two possibilities of getting anything, head or tail. But what the question has asked you to consider, it is asking you to consider the head. The possibilities of getting head, it means what is in your favor. You have to consider only head chances. It means favorable outcome. Here, the favorable outcome is 1. It means you are going to get head only once. And what are the total outcome? Total outcome is 2. It means head or tail. So formula for probability is favorable outcome upon total outcome. Then favorable outcome is 1. Total outcome is 2. We will put these value in the formula. We will get 1 upon 2. So what is the probability of getting head in this case is half. That is 1 upon 2. Let's take one more question. From a well shuffled deck of cards, a card is taken out. Find the probability of getting a card of heart. You all know that there are 13 cards of heart in the deck. There are total 52 cards in the deck and heart card are 13. Diamond card is also 13, spade card is also 13 and club is also 13. So what are the total number of cards in the deck is 52. So in this case, question is asking you to consider only the card of heart. Suppose there is a deck and you are picking out a card every time and you count all the times that you get a heart card. Okay, so there are 13 heart cards. You will pick the 13 cards in whole process which are of hearts. So the favorable outcome in this case will be 13. It means you will get 13 heart card in whole deck. And what are the total outcome is 52. So now according to the formula favorable outcome upon total outcome of probability, what is the probability? Favorable outcome is 13. Total outcome is 52. So if we simplify it, we will get 1 upon 4. It means there is 1/4 or 1 upon 4th chances or probability of getting a heart card if we pick one card out of whole deck. Okay. So one more thing I want to tell, apart from this, there are two more things: impossible events and absolute event. What these things are? Suppose you're throwing a die and question has asked you to find the probability of getting a number less than 7. So whole number, all the numbers on that dice are less than 7, that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. All these numbers are less than 7. It means favorable outcome in this case will be 6 and total outcome will also be 6. It means 6 upon 6, that is 1. It is called absolute probability or sure event. Okay. One more thing is impossible event. It means if in the same case question has asked you to find the probability of getting a number greater than 7. There is no number on the dice which is greater than 7. It means favorable outcome will be 0 and total outcome will be 6. And in this case 0 upon 6 is what? 0. It means this is impossible event. Thank you and have a nice day. I think you have enjoyed the video. Thank you all.